Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny.
है कोई ऐसी बात तुम्हारे देश की जिस पर के सर ऊंचा कर सको?
नहीं माय डियर बॉय, तुम्हारे देश ने कुछ नहीं दिया।
बिग डेटा, मशीन लर्निंग, ब्लॉकचेन, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, डिजिटल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग,
where the mind is without fear.
क्वांटम कम्युनिकेशन एंड इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स के R&D को बढ़ावा।
मतलब घर में दादागिरी मत करना, तो हमारी डायरेक्ट पहचान है।
मैथमेटिक्स, अरे तू समझता क्या? आजा मेरे साथ मुकाबला कर।
जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने, भारत ने मेरे भारत ने।
कोड बिल्कुल, मतलब जो स्कूल और इनिशियल इंजीनियरिंग के अलावा उसके बाद नो कोडिंग। हाँ, बट आई वाज जस्ट वंडरिंग, डू यू सी इन, एंड ये सब्जेक्ट से बाहर हो गया बट स्टिल, डू यू सी इंडियन कोडर्स थिंकिंग अबाउट एफिशिएंसी? लाइक मैं 5 लाइन की जगह अगर 2 लाइन में कर सकता है क्या, या मैं 500 लाइन की जगह इसको 100 लाइन में कर सकता है क्या? ऐसा सोचते हैं कि इज दैट?
So what you are saying basically is, I think in India there is, you can very roughly categorize people into people who do this घर चलाने के लिए and people who do this because they love it, right? And that's a much starker divide I find in India, that thing to happen. And the second bucket has sufficient number of people. Like in the total number, it will probably be just 1%, 2%. Like people who reports publish hota hai na, 97% engineers are unhireable and wala falana dimkana. And I have been in EdTech for far too long to see it up to close those numbers. Like I know the 97% ka faces behind the 97%. For me, the 97% is not a report on a paper, right? So yeah, I mean, but that 2%, because India is big, so wo jo 3% इधर रहता है वो भी बड़ा नंबर है, and as a result, like there are good software engineers, good computer scientists who we generate out of India as well. Then they leave India because फिर वो skill की कदर कहीं और भी हो रही होती है। but anyway, so I think that that 3% they do. I mean, they really care, because for them it's kind of like it transcends the level of just work, right? It becomes kind of like art, right? It's like so I was reading once about
That's why I asked you this question, because
like Formula 1 पे जो drive करते हैं, तो they're like these days they do reflex training, but earlier they used to not do reflex training, but still their reflexes used to be very high, right? And a lot of that comes from because they have to, like they have to optimize the braking zone thing, right? The closer you are to the braking zone and you brake, and then that will optimize it. So they just had this drive to just go faster around the circuit, right? And for that, a lot of unconscious optimization happen in their brain, like you get into the zone of driving, and automatically your body and your brain is optimizing for those reflexes, and you do it for 10 years, your reflexes are better than the rest of the humans. But just because you love it doing so much and you put so much thought into, like मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, मैं अगर ब्रेक इतना लेट में जाके करूँ तो मेरा गाड़ी जल्दी घूमेगा, all of that. But the total number of hours driving of a cab driver is more than a Formula 1 driver, but उसका braking reflex time नहीं बढ़ रहा होता है, is the simple thing, right? So
नहीं, ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बिट है, because ultimately the difference is love of the game versus
love of the game. Like cab driver का love of the game अगर इतना ज्यादा होगा तो वो, I mean, obviously privilege के barriers को अगर
love of the game नहीं होगा, ultimately like if life is put you in a place where you are
cab driver से F1 driver बनने वाले, शायद F1 ना बने, but like racing के भी hierarchy है, cab driver से racing driver बने होंगे कुछ लोग, मतलब जिसके पास उतना privilege रहा होगा to break apart from those barriers and find somebody to sponsor that thing. And probably India का cab driver नहीं, but यूरोप में cab driver से racer तो बने ही होंगे लोग, definitely, for sure.
मैं ये एक्चुअली रीजन ये सोच रहा था मैं कि 2 चीजें। पहली चीज तो कि क्लियरली एज समवन हूज बीन ऑन द रिसीविंग साइड ऑफ स्टफ, the one thing that I think is, if at the development level, if something that could have been done in 100 lines is being done in 500 lines, तो जो legacy build up होता जाता है, it just means कि कल को कुछ चेंज करना होगा तो पीछे जाके वो चेंज करना इतना ज्यादा टायरिंग हो जाएगा किसी के लिए।
True. So that is the part where बड़े-बड़े कंपनीज में
छोटी-छोटी बातें नहीं होती हैं।
हाँ, तो बड़े कंपनीज में जो वो बड़ा कोड बेस है ना, because उसके wrapping around your head is so hard to do. Half of the work being challenging in big companies is that, first, it's not just what you are doing is hard, it's that
Hmm.
doing it in that complex system is hard. And in those places they are more entrenched against GPT coming and writing your code versus like simpler systems where GPT can come and write your code more easily, because complexity is still like the most difficult peak to scale. And for AI, like if you ask the AI to write one one file of code and a tic-tac-toe game, it would be able to. But if you say कि मेरा code base में already 500 फाइल है और तू इसमें ये एक feature add कर, it's not able to do that. Although adding that feature would be just one line, because to add that
Well,
one line, it has to understand this
it's a
500
puzzle.
and that it can't.
तो मैं बस कहाँ जा रहा हूँ मैं, अब मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ. There is this thing, this term called doom scrolling. Infinite scrolling है, जो भी होना चाहिए. एक तो ये जो हम सब like we are all victims of it, and the other is algo based feeds, right, where your feed is determined by the things that you like, whether it YouTube, wherever.
Yeah.
Now these two things are very interesting to me, because मैं सोशल मीडिया तो शायद कल को तुम और मैं मिलके एक ट्विटर का क्लोन खड़ा कर सकते हैं, if we hire enough people and all of that. But the winner in this race is someone who finds out what is the next version of doom scrolling or the next version of algo based feed, right?
Yeah.
Right. And the thing is कि to do this, you just cannot be someone who codes or who has a degree in engineering. To do this algo based feed is psychology, right? How do I tab like, for example, तूने देखा एक खाना बनाने का वीडियो देखा.
No, but today what is happening is today what is happening is and 100% agree ki, like for the first time to think of an algo based feed and you need to understand psychology and all of that. But the way today it happens in companies like say TikTok or Instagram Reels and all is that there is a very like the nerds of the world have turned it into an optimization problem. They have figured कि भाई एक काम करते हैं, like इतने सारे लोग हैं हमारे पास, millions of people on the platform. तो let's just train from their data. Let's just see कि like, and they collect data in crazy ways. Okay, like every video that you're scrolling, how many seconds you spend on each one, they're collecting it, right? And they're collecting it and seeing कि इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो के बाद अगर ये वीडियो आया तो इस पे मैं 5 सेकंड स्पेंड किया, बट अगर कुछ और वीडियो के बाद अगर ये वीडियो आया तो मैं 10 सेकंड स्पेंड किया, and it is building those models, right? And this is the part which is actually less visible to the world. Like people are seeing things like
but that is a second level development, right? मैं कह रहा हूँ कि right, we are sitting here. No, we have algo.
So when like actually this psychological research and all have actually been done by some of the companies which started off when there was lesser research into this. But when companies like TikTok came on the scene, TikTok has achieved this thing completely from a maths nerd aspect. They have been like, it's a system and we have to optimize for this final value, which is time spent, and let's keep showing random things after the video, and whichever one people will spend more time on, we will just keep increasing the weights for that one. And that's how they have developed the system. So their system is not developed by a psychologist. While there are older apps, like people who were building social media earlier, they had actually this user research and all of that. And TikTok has completely like speed run that whole thing. They're like user
much
research.
Like DeepSeek is doing probably for AI, right? But तो फिर हमने क्यों नहीं बनाया हमने इंडियंस ने क्यों नहीं बनाया टिकटॉक? Because see, एक चीज है जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि तुम टिकटॉक पे हो तो तुम्हारे प्रोफाइल से एक 50,000 टैग्स जुड़े हुए हैं. तुमने ये करते हो इतना blah blah blah, and then every video has those tags, and then in my head I am thinking that some kind of tag matching happens, and that's how your feed is populated, right? So ये हो गया. ये किसी साइकोलॉजिस्ट ने पहले सोचा कि किस तरीके से उसको वो करना है, ये हो गया, और अब ये इंजीनियरिंग प्रॉब्लम बन गया है, which is TikTok is how it's running. So then why did we not do it?
That's a good question, but I think we don't build any product good in that sense, right? I mean, it's not like it's just about TikTok. Like China actually innovates, and TikTok is a good innovation, by the way. Like good innovation is like लोगों का time waste कर रहा है, वो अलग बात है.
No, of course, it's making money. It's making money.
Yeah, from the objectivity of the innovation. Yeah, from the objectivity of the innovation. TikTok is actually a good innovation. TikTok is not a Uber for X kind of way. In India, a lot of tech products happen. Like in India, you still think, West में ये चला, so let's copy it and see. And then the biggest thing जो चल रहा है इंडिया में, like what is really driving the new age tech economy in India is that क्विक कॉमर्स भी बाहर का कॉपी है. बाहर इकोनॉमिक्स उसकी सस्टेन नहीं हुई और इंडिया में इसकी इकोनॉमी सस्टेन हो गई बिकॉज ऑफ द क्लास डिवाइड. बट Getir, GoPuff, Gorillas, all of this first existed outside. Then it came here. Okay, we did not invent it. We did not think कि 10 मिनट में डिलीवर करेंगे और ये मस्त चीज होगा. Like वो क्या कहते हैं, सुट्टा मंगवाने के लिए वो लोग GoPuff करते हैं. Like this happened first in Europe, in US, and वहाँ ये 2022 में जो people started saying कि profitable जो नई कंपनी उसको बंद कर दो, तो उसमें इनका कट गया क्योंकि they had not run through the cycle. See, the thing is if Uber had started in 2020, okay, तो 2022 में ना लोग Uber को भी बंद करवा देते.
क्योंकि obviously it makes sense.
क्योंकि 2022 में पूरी दुनिया बोलने लगी कि भाई प्रॉफिट नहीं करते तो बंद करो. बट ये दुनिया बोल नहीं रही थी. जीरो इंटरेस्ट रेट फिनोमेना चल रहा था. तो Uber had 10 years of runway to come to the point where now it is so big and actually now it is starting to generate profit. तो like नहीं, ये business sense बनता है. I think GoPuff भी शायद यूएसए में 10 साल चला था तो कुछ ना कुछ फिगर आउट कर लेते वो. They would have monetized some other part of it. They would not have monetized the delivery itself. वो ads optimize कर रहे थे. Uber $2-3 billion ads कमा रहा है. मतलब they put ads on the delivery page and उससे they're making so much money from a lot of things. So once you get people to do certain things, you can put ads and everything. But anyway, my point is कि इंडिया में मतलब anything that is successful and it works, and you will see कि मतलब it's not invented there, right? It's
which is the biggest Indian startup or with biggest Indian new age product, if I can. Today, that is completely an original idea.
I can't think of any, is what I'm saying.
Neither can I, and that's where
I honestly can't think of any. Like I mean, if I just consider success as a parameter and then start from the top, like say something like say a Zerodha Zoho जिसको लोग तारीफ करते हैं, not original idea, like brokerage तो 200 साल से चल रहा है, ठीक है.
और यहाँ पे मतलब Zerodha क्या है, मुझे एक्चुअली Zerodha की अब मैं बहुत टाइम से इंडिया में
Zerodha
क्या करता है,
चार्ल्स श्वाब.
तो वो तो बहुत ही like this is like very old here.
200 साल से चल रहा है ब्रोकरेज. 200 साल से चल रहा है.
और Robinhood वगैरह भी यहाँ पे मतलब काफी टाइम से.
Robinhood exactly
10 plus years हो गया.
Correct. So Zerodha is not new in that. Okay. Then let's say Zoho, again, Google and Microsoft does Office suites forever, and they just make it cheaper because their technology workforce is in a gaon in Chennai. So that's why it is cheaper. And that's how they you have seen, I'm sure you live in US, so you have seen Zoho ke ads everywhere, right? It advertises कि it's cheaper than Google, right? That's what they advertise. They say if you are a small startup, you don't have money, तो use Zoho. मतलब वो बोलते भी नहीं है कि हम Google से better हैं, वो बोलते हैं Google से सस्ता है. ठीक है. Again, fair enough. If that's your USP, we are a cheaper version of Google. Okay, but our criteria, we're trying to find out something innovative that strikes off. Even that is not right. See, really well doing stuff, startups which ended up doing very successful. I have worked at Zomato. Zomato is that, again, like not original in that sense. Zomato started with listings, which was a copy of Yelp, and then they went into delivery, which again is a copy. It's not something invented in India in that sense. I'm sure it's a perfected in India art delivery because sheer amount of volume of deliveries that happen in India.
And you cannot. I have never tried.
एक चीज होता है जिसमें बहुत लोग मास्टर्स करते हैं क्योंकि CS में लोगों को नहीं मिलता, ऑपरेशनल रिसर्च OR, राइट? हाँ, तो like what Zomato does, Swiggy does, these are all operational research companies. They are great at optimizing the logistics problem, and I know personally a lot of sharp people used to work there who were working on some of these very niche problems कि मतलब हम इस एरिया में ट्रैफिक के डेटा को यूज करके कैसे हम डायनामिकली प्राइसिंग चेंज करें या कैसे हम delivery time change kare, and I'm sure there are super hard mathematical problems to solve, but still like they did not invent the concept of delivery, right? So yeah, I mean I can't think of anything where like it's completely like a fresh product, like never thought of before. It's nothing is like that in that sense. मेरे को नहीं आता ध्यान में कोई भी.
I mean this is a broader thing and we have talked about it a bit कि to create something that does, like 2015 में जाके ChatGPT का idea, I'm just saying कि 2015 में whatever ChatGPT would have been, is something that you have to think about now to have something ready for 2035. And how would you do it is by imagining something that does not exist. Now to do that,
so I will be the devil's advocate, and I've ran startups and I've been an entrepreneur in India, and I would say that So we were doing what is now called edtech, and when we were doing it, the term edtech was not even coined. Okay, we were
EdTech is
teaching
also
online.
actually, it is a very Indian phenomena, by the way.
Yeah.
Right?
No. So I'm saying is that we were doing is basically teaching, and initially we were teaching in classrooms. Then we saw that there was so much demand that we went online. We were doing teaching online, whatever. And this is before the VC ecosystem discovered that
EdTech.
education can scale. Right. This is before that. So I built the company without raising VC funds, and it was easy to do because within 6 months to a year, we were able to recover whatever investment we put into setting up our first center, and then it was profitable all along. And I was naive enough to not even understand the concept कि you can run businesses in loss. वो फिफ्थ ग्रेड में मैथ्स में पढ़ते हैं कॉस्ट प्राइस से बड़ा होता है सेल प्राइस माइनस करके प्रॉफिट निकलता है राइट आई डिड नॉट नो मोर राइट me and my co-founder are not from business backgrounds either so we did not like later on I realized that that's can also be an advantage like घर पे ये चीज सीखना कि गोदाम में जो माल पड़ा है उसके वो मॉर्टगेज करके तुम लोन लेके दुकान खोल सकते हो and people see that happen in their homes right in like back in Delhi like all these Bania families people had seen this happen at home right it gives you good MBA quality learning घर बैठे बैठे in a way तो we did not have that right so like कि मतलब हाँ मतलब हमें क्लास हम 2 महीना पढ़ाएंगे टीचर को इतना पैसा देंगे क्लासेस इतनी देर की होगी तो इतना हमारा कॉस्ट है हमें 20,000 रुपए लगेंगे पर स्टूडेंट पढ़ाने में 30,000 रुपए हम चार्ज करेंगे मतलब इट्स मैथ लाइक इसमें राइट तुम 10,000 में पढ़ा के फेमस हो जाओ पहले और फिर बाद में 40,000 चार्ज करना ये ऐसे सोचा ही नहीं राइट सो एंड we were spending from our bank accounts right and not from our personal bank account but company का भी bank account we were literally treating it like a savings account by the way we one cycle we had a lot of money we thought what we'll do is इसको FD बना लेते हैं we literally company के पैसों से हमने FD बनाया था ठीक है लेकिन पता नहीं क्या करेंगे मतलब बैंक में करंट अकाउंट में तो 0% इंटरेस्ट होता है ना तो लाइक चलो लाइक वी लिटरली ट्रीटेड इट लाइक घर के अकाउंट की तरह राइट बट आई एम डेविएटिंग बट द पॉइंट आई एम कमिंग टू इज दैट so then later this became like a VC thing and VC thing became because VC saw that there is quick returns on their money in this thing. It did not work out like Byju's ended up like crashing and burning like anything and probably the others are also doing that but that's a whole different thing but and then when VCs got into it they were very different they're like scale it to 100x within a year right so in India capital is very feared like it is capital is also a very optimization oriented capital the capital is not very research oriented capital and in US what happens is like today if you are starting up let's forget today even 20 years back if you were starting up your investors would have been who have done innovative things 50 years back so your investor would be somebody who worked at NASA and they know what it takes to innovate and they are investing and they are not like कि मेरे को 5 साल में रिटर्न चाहिए इस चीज का they are not like कि तुम्हें 10x grow करना है first year में and all of that stuff and yeah I mean in India it's hard to find capital like that and my friends who have actually started companies with VC funds is what I see is that it's not like that no it's first of all you don't get funded if you are doing a very obscure thing which only in your head makes sense but you can't explain it to somebody else तो कहाँ से आएगा वो चीजें and I remember this interview of Linus Torvalds long back and recently it actually came up and oh yeah BMKJ वाले जो लोग हैं वो काफी गालियां दिए लिनक्स को because he said कि इंडिया में लिनक्स नहीं बन सकता right so he and he actually had a nuanced point but लोग क्या इंडिया को गाली दे रहा है तो हम इसको गाली दे देते हैं तो that interview keeps coming up sometimes वो निकल के आता है वायरल होता है फिर लोग लिनक्स को बहुत गाली देते हैं but he said कि see the reason I was able to build Linux operating system was because he was in India when that interview happened and somebody had asked can it happen in India and he said कि नहीं तुमसे नहीं बन सकता and then he explained कि क्यों नहीं तुमसे बन सकता he said कि I know people in India after college you have to pay back your loans or you have to earn money to run your family like I was in Finland he's from Finland and he's like when I graduated from college I did not need to work right if you don't there was something like universal basic income kind of things for the first 3 years after college so by the way like people say so many things about these European countries and all but in UK also I see like till you are 30 you get a lot of discounts by the way like all of these जो बच्चों के लिए डिस्काउंट्स होते हैं जिस तरह से हम सोचते हैं, तो यहाँ 26 to 30 एज ग्रुप के लिए भी लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर डिस्काउंटेड एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर फ्री, बिकॉज पीपल कंसिडर कि ये एक्सप्लोरिंग एज है, कॉलेज के बाद लोग फिगर आउट कर रहे हैं क्या कर रहे हैं, तो ये फिगरिंग आउट एज में शायद लोग नए पैसे कमा रहे होंगे, तो उनके लिए चीजों में हम डिस्काउंट दे देते हैं, स्पेशली लाइक इफ यू गो टू अ म्यूजियम टू लर्न थिंग्स एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स आर फ्री फॉर यू टिल 30 एंड कमिंग फ्रॉम इंडिया यू वुड थिंक कि भाई मतलब अब तो कमाने का
30 साल में तो बच्चे हो जाते लोगों के,
30 साल में बच्चे हो जाते, तुम क्या 30 साल तक एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हो, but that's enshrined in the law here, right? 26 to 30 के age के group के people also get bunch of these discounts, and they don't get these discounts for no reason. The reason is there. The reason is that you give people this space and time after college to figure out what they want to do, and that's what Linus Torvalds talked about. He said कि मेरे को पैसा कमाना नहीं था, I did not need to take money and give home. मेरे घर वालों के पास पैसा था, मेरे को पैसे की जरूरत नहीं थी. I had these grants because I was in college. So I was tinkering with random stuff. करते करते मैंने देखा कि ऐसा फाइल सिस्टम का ड्राइवर सही नहीं था BSD के अंदर, तो मैं कहा इसको लिखते हैं, वो लिखा, फिर मेरे को लगा कि यार ये इसका एक ऑपरेट कर्नल ही होना चाहिए प्रॉपर, बना के मैं अपना FTP ड्राइव पे मैंने ये सॉफ्टवेयर डाल दिया और लोगों को बोला कि भाई मैंने थोड़ा बेटर लिखा है, फाइल जल्दी अपलोड हो जाता है, एंड माय पॉइंट वाज नॉट आई वांटेड टू मेक द वर्ल्ड्स बिगेस्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, आई जस्ट डिड दिस एंड देन other people were started using it, they figured कि यार ये तो सही चल रहा है, and then it happened, right? So he's like, I have never seen anybody in India have this phase in life to do it, so then it will not happen, and he was right, and लोगों को बुरा लगेगा but he was right.
Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny.
है कोई ऐसी बात तुम्हारे देश की जिस पर के सर ऊंचा कर सको?
नहीं, माय डियर बॉय, तुम्हारे देश ने कुछ नहीं दिया.
बिग डेटा, मशीन लर्निंग, ब्लॉकचेन, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, डिजिटल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग,
Where the mind is without fear.
क्वांटम कम्युनिकेशन एंड इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स के R&D को बढ़ावा.
मतलब घर में दादागिरी मत करना, तो हमारी डायरेक्ट पहचान है.
मैथमेटिक्स, अरे तू समझता क्या, आ जा मेरे साथ मुकाबला कर.
जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने, भारत ने मेरे भारत ने